Hello, everybody. This is Ralph Martin, the CEO of the Affiliate Resource. And in this video, I want to talk about the Online Funnel Mastery. I just completed my review on this program, and I'd like to walk you through what I think it is and whether or not you should really purchase this product. But before I get into the review, I want to offer you an awesome bonus just for reading my review. My offer is to give you a 10-lesson online affiliate marketing course. And in that course, we will teach you step by step how to make money through affiliate marketing. And within this course, we're going to give you 2 free hosted websites so that you can follow along in the course and end up with a fully functional website and ready to sell products and services online in any niche you want, including the money-making niche or any other niche that you want to choose. If you have ever thought about selling Amazon products or other affiliate marketing products and wanted to learn how, this is the course you're going to need, and it is completely free. So all you have to do is click the link below to read my full review on Online Funnel Mastery, and you'll have access to those free bonuses. So what you need to do is, I'm on the page right now that has my review, and we will talk about the review. And also in this review, I'm going to let the owner give you an inside look of the back end of the program so that you get a good idea of what it looks like on the backside of Online Funnel Mastery. There's nothing worse than signing up for a program and not knowing what you're going to get until after you purchase it. But in this review, you'll be able to see exactly what is in the back office, what you're offered. You do get 12 free funnels. And this review will give you my opinion on this program, whether you should purchase it or not, whether it's worth the money. I encourage you to read the complete review. From my perspective, I have been an affiliate marketer since 2009. I know what I'm doing, and I know how to make money online. And that is another thing. With the online marketing bonus I'm giving you, not only will you get the 2 free hosted websites, but I will be your affiliate marketing coach as well and work with you step by step until you have a fully functioning website that is earning a substantial amount of income. Go ahead, click the link below this video in the description and read my review and claim the bonuses. What you'll do as you're reading through is you'll come up to a banner that looks just like this. There's actually 2 or 3 of them. And it says, ready to start your own online affiliate business. Click here for free access. Don't worry, you won't have to put in a credit card or anything like that. You're just basically going to create a username and an email, and you'll get right to lesson 1 of the training in the 10-lesson course. Go ahead and take advantage of this. If you have been wanting to sell affiliate products online, whether they're Amazon products, or you have a passion in your own niche, or you want to pursue the make money online niche, you have the ability and basically thousands of different templates that you can choose from. So go ahead and take advantage of that. So this is Ralph Martin signing out, and you make it an awesome day. Take care.